Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F14 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and since we're in the standard photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar, and right in the middle we've got the timer option, so let's tap. Here we've got 3 more options, so 2, 5 and a 10 seconds delay. Basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use. So I will pick 10 seconds, and as you can see after picking it, the icon here on this bar will change. It is also highlighted so you can always see which countdown you've got set. All you have to do right now is to simply tap on the shutter button, and oh my gosh, it is so loud, but right now your device will count down from 10 or 3 or 5, and you can clearly see that it will simply take a photo after this time. And of course you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on this icon here. And from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So basically that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy F14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.